Okay. Hi guys, everyone is here. Hi guys, please be responsive. Give me thumb, please. Okay. Anyone, every one of you got project. Every one of you got project. Everyone, I'll give you access to everyone. Okay, you have to talk with me. But everyone is having access now. If you want to talk, you can unmute yourself and talk with me. Okay. Amruta, Harishri, Kilugu, Shwini, Manikanta Gedda, Markapudi Hanish, Mohammad Faraq Nizam, okay, Shekhar, Harshvardhan Reddy, Veeravalli Durga, Yuvraj Singh. You want to say something? Your mic is on. Tanishka Mishra, Palli Kandala Harika, Pendagalu Sai, everyone is there. Please give me response. Which three you are saying? I'm not getting you rushing. Which three project you are saying? Which three project you are saying? You are saying, I'm asking you something. Which project? Yes, I'll guide you, Markapudi Ganesh. Okay, ma'am, the one given in group project. Yes, you have to do group project. Help of your team members. Okay, Markapudi Ganesh. Okay. Yes, I'll start working on the project. Okay, how to start and how. No, you have to do in group only because you have to submit your group link. You have to push group link on GitHub and you have to submit it. Okay. I'll say how to push the code and all. Okay. I'll confirm you about team and all. Just try to understand how to start a project. Okay. I will not announce. Our upstream will announce the group members and all. Okay. They will share the sheet and they will explain. Okay. Okay. Actually, if you want to start the MERN's project, that is MongoDB Express, React.js and Node.js project, you have to do step-by-step implementation you have to do. First of all, you have to install Node.js. Everyone is having Node.js in your local. Will not suggest our upstream will provide you a project in your Smart Interest portal. Okay. They from Smart Interest only. Tanishka Mishra. Okay. Everyone is having Node.js in your local system. Everyone is having. I'll poll Node.js. I'll create. I am creating poll. You have to respond for it. Okay. Have. Okay. I start poll. Please respond for it. I started poll. Please respond for it. Not who is not like someone is saying no. No, right now you have to install your Node.js, npm. I already installed, or else I'll show here. Okay, I'll share my screen and I'll show how to install. Okay, this is how you have to download Node.js. Okay, here Windows installer MSI is there. Try to install. I'm already having. That's why I'm not doing. Okay, when it's getting, go for Windows installer MSI. Click on it. It will redirect you to Node.js. Okay, that clear? Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Please give me thumb. Please give me thumb. If Node.js installation is clear, please give me thumb. Sri Munela, what an issue. Manikantha, you want to talk something? Then only unmute yourself. If you want to talk, raise your hand. I will give you access, guys. Okay? Okay. Everyone done with installation? Okay. After that, everyone done with VS Code in VS Code installation? Want VS Code? Okay, we want VS Code. Yes, who want to talk? Amrutanshu. Okay, I want Node.js, MongoDB, and VS Code to be installed in your local server. Okay. Everyone is getting? Okay, done with installation? Everyone? Okay. After that, I will share my screen, entire screen I will share. And if you install with the VS Code, you have to open your VS Code, okay? If you guys done with the installation, you have to open VS Code. Okay, this is my VS Code. I will, first of all, I will create one folder on desktop. Okay. My MERN app, okay? I don't know what is your project name, but I'm saying only for reference, okay? This is my project. Just go for file and open folder and go to the desktop. Whatever folder you created, my monet, open it, select folder. Okay, it is showing like that. Everyone got this point? Everyone got this point? Up to now, everything is clear, guys. Everything is clear up to now. Please give me thumb. How to create folder and how to redirect that folder to VS Code. Everyone clear? Everyone? in our Mon app, we will create two folders. Okay, we will create two folders here. That is backend, backend, and another one is like in backend only. We will create folders like right files like for while that is models. For example, I am saying okay. This is how you have to start your project. Backend and next one is like we have to create one folder that is front end. This is how we will start our project. Okay, front end as well as back end. After that, if you want to start this back end, just to go for the terminal, new terminal. Okay, you have to open the terminal for that. Okay, if I will write mkdir my MERN app. If it is already there, then no issue. Okay. It is already there. It is showing all those information about it. Okay. After that, CD. I'll check the path of my MERN app. Okay. CD MERN app. Okay. It is showing smart desktop my right there. Okay. Or and if it is create the folder. Okay. Okay. Wait for a minute. I'll delete all and then I'll do again. Okay, it will confuse or else it will create confusion. Wait, wait, guys. I'll say how to create by on VS Code only. Okay, simply I'll open VS Code. Okay, this is how it is showing VS Code. Go for the terminal and new terminal, guys. After that, you have to write here. This is for information. Okay, not an issue. What I'll write here my mkdir my MERN app. Okay. They are okay. It will create one folder that is my MERN app. Okay. After that, I want to create. I want to check the path where it is created. I will write cd my MERN app. Okay. It is showing users like that. Okay. mkdir backend. Okay. Again, cd backend. Okay. This is another method to uh, okay. This is how we will create, or else simply go on your desktop Here, create one folder, my MERN app. Okay. And simply go towards VS Code. Here, open folder. And on desktop, I created. That's why it go towards the my MERN app. And just I have to create the folder. Okay. Not an issue. Everyone. This PC is very bad, guys. Sorry for that. It is not good. It is not working good actually. Okay. Okay. This is how we will create our. Okay, this is how we have to create folders in my app. Here I will create for backend. Here I will create for backend. And one another folder I will create for front end also. Okay, this is how we created two folders. In that we are having separate terminal, and we are okay. Okay, this is our things. Just I have to open integrated terminal with the backend. Okay, what I will write, guys? I will write npm init, and I will give one command y. Okay, it is installing the packages. It is backend version index.js and all. Okay, it will show package.json. Everyone getting? Everyone getting my point? Okay. Here no test we write. That's why it's saying no specified. Okay, guys. Okay. To install the basic packages, we have to write npm install. We have to write npm install express mongoose cars dot e and v. Okay. Am I right? Yes. It is installing like basic packages. Okay, and after that I here see here node module is installed. After that package.json is also there. Everything is there in package.json, guys. See here which commands I use and how to write, how to install the packages, guys. After that, we have to create one file. Okay, we have to create one file here, server.js. Server.js. It is needed. Okay. In backend, we have to create one folder that is server.js. Here we have to create the we have to create one file. Okay. After that, we will write whatever we want. I will try to write one code that is const. Everyone is getting now what I am saying. I want to get back to you guys. Everyone is getting what I did. Everyone is getting. Give me response in yes or no. Guys, I want response. Give me thumb or else I'll stop saying, okay? Okay, Pawar Kumar, thank you. Madhuri Perumalla. Okay. You are understanding or else I need to change my way. You guys understanding or I need to change my way? Please respond me. I'll back to my screen. I need to change my way or you're getting. Okay, not an issue. Here I am writing the back end that is express. I'll use and const express equals to like require. And what it is required? It is required express. Okay. Nothing more than that. We are express. Okay. After that, const mongoose. Okay. It require that mongoose. Everyone is getting whatever I am writing. Okay. That const course I am using and that course equals whatever you are using, you need to define it first. Okay. Require course. Done. Done, guys. After that, require that .env. .env dot config. Okay. Okay. I'm creating app. That's why const app equals to express. Okay. After that, app.use that is course app.use that is express dot json. Okay, guys. How to connect to MongoDB? Okay, I'll write here one line. This is connection to MongoDB. Okay, this line is helpful for you. Be like commented it or not. Just you have to write mongoose dot connect mongoose dot connect that is a process dot env dot mongo and their MongoDB URL is there and I'll specify there. Okay, what else? Sorry, this one. Okay. Uh, okay. Here I will write new use new URL parser. Okay, I'm using, and this must be true. It is not closed. It will be separated by comma. Okay. After that, same I'll write use uni I unified topology. Use unified topology. That is also true. Okay. Okay, guys. Again, I will write dot then method, and it will give me console.log MongoDB connected. Okay. After it is connected, it will give me MongoDB connected. Everyone is getting? And dot catch I'll use. It will catch the error. Okay. And similarly, I will write here console.log that particular error. Okay. Now it got completed. That's why giving semicolon. Okay. Uh, if I will give you a sample route, okay, one I'll sample route I create for you. Router is important. Okay, sample route I'll write for you guys. For example, app.get, like that is required and response. Okay, here I will write response dot send. I'll write one response. Okay, like hello VIP guys. Hello from I work, for example, backend. Okay, you have to keep concentration here, guys, because it is completed while your mom is teaching to you that time. But for project, again, I am saying, okay, const port equals to process dot env dot port process dot env dot port, and okay, and this port will run on 5000. Any port you can use. Okay, and that app dot listen, that I will write here port. Okay, and that port will be console.log server is running in the port. Okay, and this is, we have to write a backstreak here. Okay, server running on Okay, and that port we have to specify here. That is that port. Everyone clear, guys? Something got wrong here by mistakenly. Okay, everything clear? Up to now, everything is clear. Up to now, everything is clear, guys. How I write server.js, how I create server, everything is clear. Give me thumb or else give me response fast. One error, npm init. Which error? Tarun Singh Thakur. Yes, I'll explain Rekha Gujula again, but I want to move forward to that server.js and .env file. Again, I will say, okay. This is up to now. This everything is clear. Up to now, everything is clear. Give me thumb or else give me response. Only 1, 2 guys are responding. Where are remaining 134 students are there? Where are they? Where are they? I'm asking. Where are they? Okay. Okay, where I am? I have created the report. Now I will create .env file. Okay. How guys you will create backend in backend only. I'll create one .env. Okay. Dot dot env. This is our .env file in our backend folder. Okay. Here I have to write Mongo URI equals to whatever path I have created for the local app in the MongoDB. I have to write that. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. This is my Mona. They are okay. Okay. Same you have to write MongoDB. You have to trace your path. I'm unable to trace. That's why. Okay, this is how we have to create it. But initially we have to create here itself. Okay, I'll try again. Okay, okay, here I will add data. Okay, okay. After that, you have to do setup for the same for the front end. That is terminal, new terminal, and you have to write cd monad. Already we created. That's why you have to write npx. Already we created. That's why no need of writing npm install axios react router dom. Okay. This is how you have to start your project. Okay. 13 packages are installed in our front end also. Node modules and all. Okay. How to connect to backend? You have to add proxy in your package.json. Okay. You have to add proxy in your package.json. Proxy for the port. It means you have to connect the React to backend. Okay. Okay. Where we are talking about the proxy. Okay. Name and all are there. It's like root line, not inside any object. Okay. If I write proxy here, not an issue. Proxy. Wait. Okay, this is proxy, and we have to write a path here that is HTTPS. That is localhost. That is 5000. It is like that. Okay. Proxy is like JSON so that we can react the port and we can call the backend and won't give us a chorus error. That's why we are using that. Okay. After that, in front end, we have to create app.js. In our front end, we have to create app.js. Okay. App.js is created. Okay. Where is app.js? No, it not been node module. Okay. Front end, and here we have to create app.js. Okay. Here we need to write the app.js code. Okay. I'll write code. Wait. Everyone is getting what I'm saying? Give me response, or else I'll talk by myself and I'll go forward. Give me response. You are getting Pawan Kumar. Where are Manikantha? You guys are there, or else you want more explanation? What you want? Directly, I'm having this code. I don't want to write again and again. Transparency, I maintain and I will write there. Okay. Okay. Something import. Okay. I import all these things, it measures and all. This is how I have to start my project. Again, this is how I created my front end and back end both part. What I'll go. Okay, this is how we created front end and back end folder. After that, we will try to run the folder on your local host. That is 5000. Okay, whatever we are here, I will write. I will run backend first of all. I will open for like terminal for backend, and here I will write node server.js. Okay, it is what it is showing. It is showing anonymous. Wait, I need to check for it. User desktop mass dot then okay. Here some mistake is there. See guys, here console dot log is not there. I write by mistakenly comma there. Okay, we have to change it in server.js. This is how we have to find the errors. here I need to write console.log, not comma. Okay. Again, same thing. Okay, that's why we have to do Control S, and again I have to run my backend. What I need to write? Node server.js. Okay, this is how my backend is working. Some error is there. No, it is showing your server running on port 5000. Okay, this is how our backend is running. And after that, I need to close all those ports first of all. Okay, and if I want to run my front end, right? Front end, go for the front end terminal, and here you have to write npm start. It is showing some script is missing. npm run hello initially, npm start. Something did you mean the star? Okay, something is happening with front end. Something we missed, guys. Any one of you? What we missed? Here we missed something. PM start is not working. Let me check. Okay. Or else I need to check on the catch logs local. Okay. Localhost check on F front end. Okay, front end only, no? PM start. I think something is missed here. If proxy, I thought proxy is not working. Control C. Backend is working, but frontend is not working. You may. I need to check once package.json. Package.json is package log.json. One side start. Hmm. Okay. I need to write proxy, guys. Okay, wait. I'll try to write proxy properly and here React router I created. After that, you guys are not responding singly, guys. Where are you? MongoDB connection, it got connected. Okay, backend and all got connected. Just front end is not connecting. I'm doing that only. Okay. Let me check my front end. Oh my god, something is there. This is how my screen is visible, guys. My screen is visible, guys. Wait, guys, something is happening here. Where we are? We are in the package.js now. Okay. We will open. No. Again, shit. Invalid package.jsm. Where? Okay, I'll script. I'll comment. Okay, guys, it is due to Java is running in the backend. Everyone got how to create front end and backend folder? Everyone got how to create? Give me response. Wait for a minute, guys. After that, you have to create backend and front end folder. If you have any queries, ask me. I'm giving you 5 more minutes. Everyone, any doubt? Have you guys tried? Have you guys tried? Have you guys tried to start the? I'll share each and every project with you guys for the reference. Just you have to start working on the project. Okay, you have to start the working. Okay, any issue? Yes, your front end is running successfully. Okay, good, good. Rest of all, rest of you done with front end and back end part. Only Rekha replied for it, and only Pawan replied for it. Rest of you, 23, where are they? Whatever I said to you, you are getting or not. If you are having query, ask me. Manikanta also done. Rest of all, I want to be run front end and back end successfully. Okay, and with the help, and I needed MongoDB for back end like database also. Okay, any issue? Any? You guys having any issue? The rest of you, I'm not getting response. Like that, you have to create your folder, and like that only you have to start working on your project. Okay, whatever documentation they are given to you, according to that, you have to start working on project. And uh, whatever you are doing, in case you are for example it's your social media app, if you create any button for it, just go and check for the result. Okay, inspect button is there. Just to, I'll show any example. Okay, for example, I'm working on Amazon. Okay, for example, this is our e-commerce website for Amazon. Just we have to click on it. I'll show how to check the characteristics and fundamentals of that function. Okay, if I move towards the like appliances for your home. Okay, here one button is there. Okay, inspect. It means whatever you are using, it is showing here. Okay, the height of that box is 100%, left is like minus 999, and maximum width is none, the right is like minus 999. All those things will be displayed here. If you want to change, you can change. This is of our website. Okay, this is not our own website. We haven't buy it. That's why we are unable to make a changes in that. Okay, but whatever we are creating our project, it is owned by ourselves. That why, see here, have you guys learned in CSS that is border, padding, margin, position? All those things are there. If I go towards the padding, it is showing the padding of that particular block. If I go towards the margin, it is showing margin, position, position, right? Clear? Clear? How to check clear? After creation, how to check clear? अरे भला राजू राहिले याचा पैसे येत नाही येले. At least give me response. Okay, few of the students are giving response, rest of all. Rest of all, you have to respond for it, or else how I know where are you and what you are doing. Okay, like that you have to create folder and you have to start working on the project. Everything I did in front of you, how to create backend, how to create front end, and how to implement MongoDB by using .env file. Okay, is that anything you haven't understand? Is there anything? Okay, it's time for you to ask the doubt, or else for from tomorrow I'll take I'll take one by one project and I'll start working on it. Okay. if you are having Tarun, if you are having error in npm install, you have to check for the Node.js installation first. Okay. Tomorrow I'll allow you to share your screen and I'll do. Okay. Tarun, are you getting my point? Okay, guys, thank you for joining the session. We will meet tomorrow in next session and we will try to implement our real project. Okay.